My name is Máiréad Ní Chróinín and I worked on the Lighthouse Project in Galway. So Inland Radius starts at a town hall theatre and it moves down to Woodquay and then brings you on a journey along the river out to the sea towards Mutton Island Lighthouse. I really enjoyed reading the brief when Danny first gave it to us. The idea of walking to these different lighthouses and the kind of journey, there's something very evocative and atmospheric about lighthouses in general and the journeys out to them. And that was kind of something that came up for all of us, I think, when we were talking. And Danny was also really emphasizing maybe the non-narrative aspects, which I really enjoy when I'm making my own work, in terms of kind of thinking about the signals that a lighthouse generates, the repetition of the beam and the refraction of the light, the focus, the lenses, all of those different aspects, and seeing how that kind of patterning could be brought into the work that we were making. I'm from Galway and I really enjoy doing that walk out to Mutton Island, and there's something magical about doing that walk by the sea. So it was a great pleasure to be able to design something that would bring people on that walk and maybe change that walk for them, or kind of allow them to see that walk through new eyes. My background is in theatre and I make work that is interested in, I suppose, the performance that the audience member undergoes when they do these types of experiences. It very much puts you in communication with your own body and with the world around you. At the moment, my practice is focused on thinking about that kind of aspect of slowing down movement that we take for granted, and what slowing down that movement can do to how we perceive our own bodies and the world around us, and how time, I suppose, impacts our interactions with our bodies and the world around us. You're kind of thinking about the whole body experience, so you're thinking not just about what people are seeing, but also about what people are hearing, what they're feeling under their feet, what the air feels like, what they might be smelling, all of those different senses, how their heart rate might be, how they might be breathing. So all of those different sensations and senses go into making up the performance.